now, and hopefully, yeah, we're gonna record. Okay, so as you guys see on yesterday's daily roundup, we made two trades that are basically, this one was based on the 4 hour, expecting this to come down to fill this week, just these testing trades. We didn't do anything much, but then from here we went on profit of 13 pips, and then we just straight back up. So this is a clear result why you should never take a trade in the range. Let's go ahead quickly also on GJ. On GJ, as soon as we break the low, we just came back, closed above here, and then next candle shoot up inside the range. So again, you don't take candles where you don't take trades where candles on the left are rejecting. And now let's start our normal. So we go ahead and we remove all the drawings. Monthly broke previous monthly high, hasn't come down to create a more lower wick to come up. Let's go ahead and check the dollar. Dollar is now at a support in a monthly time frame. We check dollar because dollar is somehow correlated to gold. If the other one moves up, the other one moves down. So yeah, we're rejecting this level, this demand zone area, previous resistance. We're at support now, acting as support. We're breaking highs on the daily, making lower low, lower highs every day. We're closing above this. We should be good to go if we close above this resistance, resistance, previous support right over here, and then start to move up. Anyways, that doesn't give us any clear movement on gold. So gold hasn't created a decent lower wick to keep going down, so this can act now as a fake out, and then we can start flipping down. Just that keep in mind, on weekly we have this resistance right over here which we tapped and we reject it. We break previous week highs and then we start to retrace. On the daily we have this major support here, and we are starting to create this support here, but as I mentioned on the daily roundup yesterday when we saw this daily closure, if we come up and break the daily low, so now we come up, I said yesterday that we need to come up, create a decent top wick. So we get the top wick confirmation, and now we did that. It's about 40 pips. So if we come, we break current daily lows, previous daily lows, and this day low, we should be good to go down at least till this level or at the next demand area, which is here or here. So for the daily, or we can confirm if we respect this support, because currently we're respecting. We made the lower wick a bit and then we didn't break the lows yet. So if we come up, we can fill this whole wick and then possibly move a bit higher. On the 4 hour, we're confirming a bit of resistance here. On the most recent resistance, we have this demand zone here. Demand, or in this case, when the price moves down, these zones are called supply, where the market is supplied with enough orders to keep going down and it doesn't have enough momentum to continue to the upside. So we are in the middle of the range. This range is 90 pips. It's a big range, but I'm not sure we're gonna take any trade today on this range, because as you can see yesterday, it was not a good idea. Let's go ahead on 3 hour, 2 hour. I just like to check this for possible setups. 2 hours is just in a smaller, even smaller range. Now as we move to the lower zone time frames, we adjust our zones. And as we can see here, now we have an inside range within the range, which if we break to the upside, we have more clean traffic here, this clean traffic, and then we have this rejection. This is like, as you get rejection, 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 rejection. So it's not very ideal to go in sells. However, we can see that price is failing to break to the upside. We tried also on the upside. For sells, I would wait for confirmation to break below this level here and then move to the downside. For buys, if I have clear confirmation above here, I may take some buys, because this is like 50 pip range is not that bad range to take a trade to get like 20 pips out of it, but for sells only below here. So we go and we write here sells only below here with closure and 30-minute time frame minimum. And we have some buys, half risk buys above here for 20 to 30 pip TP. We can because we need to act quite aggressively here to catch these 20-30 pips, because the whole range is 50 pips, whereas here the range is much bigger. Till here at least, how much is till here? It's 40 pips till here. This level is 80 pips, 90 pips, and then 150 pips overall. Clean traffic, okay. So for gold, we can make this also some visual representation what I will expect. So yeah guys, this is what I would like to expect. Here to break above and the next candle to shoot up, here to break below, possibly form a support candle, and then as soon as we break this support candle we just keep going down. I think we have also the setup screenshots. Let me go ahead and add those also. For buys, I would like something like this to happen here, and for sells, I would love something like this to happen. Yes. Now it's better maybe to go ahead and save this picture, since we have also more confirmation. We go ahead and we delete, and then we move to GJ. We remove the drawings, we make fresh analysis every day. This is what I suggest you to do. So on GJ, previous month closed bearish, failing to break the previous monthly high, closing bearish, failing also to break the previous monthly low. This candle is indecision at the moment. We create a lower wick, but we then break the previous monthly lows, so we are in the range. We have this support right over here, and we have this resistance on weekly right over here. And for the sake of analysis, let's just add these also, the support right over here. Let's go ahead on daily time frame, and then we check again. As you can see, we can start now adjusting. So on the daily time frame, we check when we're on daily. We made a new high, we came back, break these lows with this new low. We made a new lower high, we create a new lower low and next lower high, and now we're failing to break these levels. So as long as we don't break this lower high or this lower low, we are in a downtrend, in a bearish trend in the weekly. On the daily time frame, we are also on a bearish momentum on daily time frame. I mean, this we break high, but then we close bearish. We break the lows on this day, so this day actually moved quite a lot. How much is like 120 pips, 125 pips? On the 4 hour, we are right at the resistance, which is here, for example, till here. We need to break above here. Break above here with 4 buys, 4 buys with close in 30 minutes. So we need buys here to break, and we need that on 30-minute time frame, because as you can see, you go here and you break, you enter a buy, price moves down, you enter a buy, price moves down, you enter a buy, price moves down. So we need to be very careful on these buys. For sells, we have this support right over here. If we break this support, or if we reject this resistance here, and then we come inside the range, and then we have this clean traffic, we can enter sells from here with stop loss above resistance. But we have a support here. I think we should move on the 1 hour time frame to see, because all these here, this is a rejection, this is a rejection, this is a rejection. So all these are supports on 1 hour time frame. I believe 1 hour is, sorry for language, but some people will call it dog shit. And just like that, we have support, 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 so rejection, 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 rejection now, rejection here. So it's never a clean traffic, so I would not take any trades on GBPJPY within this range here. So yeah. Oh, don't tell me that my mic is off. No way. Is it my mic off? I think so. Uh-oh. No, it's not my mic off, I think. No, it's not. Perfect, 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 perfect. I thought the whole analysis was also off. So in 1 hour we have a lot of rejection. I would not, hopefully we get buys above here, because that's the best thing that can happen. We have clean traffic here, we can mirror that clean traffic here, and for sells, it's gonna be very, very difficult days for sells. I hope we have enough momentum to break above here and then move above here. So let's go ahead and make a candle visualization of what we want and what we expect from all this. We want something like this to happen, hopefully. And then we have this, we have the same, basically the same trading plan as on gold for buys, where price is at resistance, price break resistance with strong bullish candle, entry after confirmation, stop loss below the low here, and then TP 1 to 1 for break even trades. And however, we have this another trading plan which is not very much back tested, to be honest. So we have this also. For here, for example, when price makes a high, comes back here, creates a new high, and then rejects it. So price at resist. Oh, I think we have one more example when price is at resistance. Let me check. Where is it? Where is it? It's right over here. Yeah, this is the best. Price is at resistance, we come up, we reject, we break these lows again, and then we keep going down. So we can also have something like this. If then we make a rejection. Now in 5 minutes we have hourly closure, and then we can also have this, something like this. Maybe we move this a bit like this, so we have more clear what we want. Or like this. So this is for sells, and this is for buys. Let's go ahead add our other trading plan that we had before. So we take the picture for the daily analysis update on Discord, guys. We have a Discord channel where we update every day for our, let's make it like this. Price at resistance, strong bearish candle closure, entry at the left when we break the low of the candles. Save chart image. GBPJPY daily forecast, 7 December. And yeah, that's what we have. Let's update quickly on Discord these two pictures that we have for gold and GJ. Well, maybe we should update Twitter also. Okay. Imagine, guys, I'm doing this and I have one viewer. Who is that one viewer? Is me. I'm watching myself. How cool is this? This is what we should do. This is what I suggest you all do to keep yourself on track and to keep everyone else on track. Possible trade setups now. Daily forecasts. And then we can go ahead and upload a video. Do you wanna guys do this together? Let's do it together. First, okay. Select files. Oh no, I forgot to close. I forgot to stop